Hi friends, I've found another yummy recipe for you and it is called the mint pesto. Yes, it's pesto but it's made with mint, not with parsley, and it's really yummy. So for mint pesto we need 2 cups of fresh mint leaves. You can use 1/8 cup of pine nuts, walnuts or roasted peanuts. I'm using roasted peanuts here. 3 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 green chilies roughly chopped, salt and pepper to taste. If you want, you can add cheese, Parmesan cheese to it. Then when you are blending it, then you slowly add the olive oil, so it's going to emulsify and get the entire dip together. And that's the mint pesto. It is so yummy. You can preserve it for 2-3 days and I'm sure it's going to get polished off within 2-3 days. I just love it. Even on my sandwiches as a spread, I really like it. It's healthy and I like nuts. So walnuts or peanuts, a handful are always good. So guys, if you liked my mint pesto recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with more recipes from my bookshelf.